Adobe XD Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing Adobe XD, one of the leading UI/UX design and prototyping tools developed by Adobe. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for wireframing, prototyping, and design collaboration, this review will cover everything you need to know. Links to the product are added in the description below. Adobe XD is designed for UI/UX designers, product teams, and developers who need a powerful tool to create and test digital experiences. Unlike Photoshop or Illustrator, which were originally built for other design purposes, XD is specifically made for designing websites, mobile apps, and interactive interfaces. It offers a clean and intuitive interface that allows users to design, prototype, and share projects seamlessly within a single platform. One of XD's most notable features is its vector-based design tools, which make it lightweight and efficient for creating high-fidelity UI designs. It supports responsive resizing, meaning elements can automatically adjust to different screen sizes. This is useful for designers working on multi-platform projects like desktop, tablet, and mobile applications. XD also includes interactive prototyping, allowing users to add clickable hotspots, transitions, and animations to bring their designs to life. Unlike static mockups, these prototypes help stakeholders and developers experience real user interactions, making feedback and iteration much more effective. The Auto Animate feature adds smooth motion effects, ideal for micro interactions and UI animations. Collaboration is another strong aspect of Adobe XD. Teams can share prototypes via a web link, allowing clients and developers to leave comments directly on the design. This streamlines the review process and reduces back-and-forth communication. XD also offers co-editing, so multiple designers can work on a project simultaneously, similar to how Figma operates. Integration is another key strength. Since Adobe XD is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, it works seamlessly with Photoshop, Illustrator, and After Effects. This makes it easy for designers to import assets or add advanced animations by leveraging Adobe's other tools. Additionally, XD supports integrations with Slack, Jira, and Microsoft Teams, helping design teams collaborate efficiently with other departments. However, there are some drawbacks. Unlike Figma, Adobe XD doesn't have a fully browser-based version, which means users must download the application. While the co-editing feature is helpful, it lacks the real-time collaboration smoothness of Figma. Additionally, plugin support is growing, but still not as extensive as Figma's ecosystem. Some users have also reported performance issues when working with complex, large-scale projects, particularly when handling multiple artboards and prototypes. Overall, Adobe XD is an excellent UI/UX design tool for professionals who want an intuitive interface, seamless prototyping, and strong integration with Adobe's ecosystem. If you're already using Photoshop, Illustrator, or After Effects, XD will fit naturally into your workflow. However, if real-time collaboration and web-based access are your top priorities, you might also want to consider alternatives like Figma. If you'd like to try Adobe XD, check out the links in the description to explore its features for yourself.